I have Siemens WK14d320GB/01 with error code E13. I had tried to clear the code by unplugging but still got error 13. Now I have replaced the door interlock part with a new one from Siemens, but on switching back on I still get the E13 error. What else can it be?
Can you guesstimate how old your Siemens is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
6 to 7 years old. Model Siemens IQ300 WK14d320GB/01.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on what the problem is.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing else.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. For the E13 error code, it's either the door lock, wiring or control board that causes this fault. As you have replaced the lock, then we can rule this out. So just check the wiring block on the lock and check Therese, no signs of burning on there. But if the wiring is fine, then I'm afraid this is going to be a faulty control board here, which would need to be replaced to cure this.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.